Hello students, in the last video we have finished seeing the problems on arbitrary range. Now we are going to go with the next concept, that is half range Fourier series. Now what does this half range Fourier series means? Now up till now when the questions was been given, it was said that obtain the Fourier series. When they say only obtain the Fourier series means it will be a full range series. Full range series means it will be defined for an interval of 0 to 2 pi or minus pi to plus pi, or it will be defined in the range, arbitrary range, like minus L to plus L or 0 to 2L. So when we are talking for full range series, we are going to compute for A0, AN and BN. As per, if I don't check for even or odd concept, we are calculating all the three terms, that is A0, AN and BN. If I check for the even and odd concept, I was only computing, if the function was even, I was computing for A0 and AN, and such series was termed as what? The cosine series, because I was remained only with the cos terms. When the function was coming odd, that time I was directly computing Bn. I was taking A0 and An directly 0. Here when I compute only for Bn means it will become a sine series only, because we are having only sine terms in that final series. So with the help of that concept, then we are going to go with now half range Fourier series. Now in certain cases we are required only cosine terms or only sine terms in our expansion. In such case we are going to use the concept of half range Fourier series. Okay, as per, if there are number of waves in general, if I talk for application, if there are number of waves, means for in the class, if everyone is going on talking, what happens? There is a sound generated, means waves are being generated, and once the waves are getting generated from each and every mouth, they try to overlap on each other and they produce a noise. So when we are talking for noise means it is a disturbance, right? So we don't want that disturbance. If we have to omit that disturbance, we have to stop everybody speaking. A single person has to be spoken. So that time we are going to get a pleasant sound. If in such case, if suppose signal is being transferred from every station, what happens when you on the radio? There is a disturbance created, and till we get matched with the frequency, we are going on adjusting the tuner. That is what the concept where we are using here half range Fourier series. So this concept is very much useful in tuning the systems. Now here to go with, here I am going to talk for the application oriented problems. So to achieve such things, that is to get only cosine or sine terms, we are going to assume the function as either even. Suppose if I am required with cosine series, we are going to assume the function as already even without testing for whether it is even or odd. Similarly, if I am required with sine series, I am going to assume my function directly as odd without testing for even and odd concept. With such concept, we are going to go to half range Fourier series. Here, what is the change in the previous part and here is, here we are not going to check for even and odd. They will mention in the problem, obtain the half range Fourier cosine series. If they say obtain the half range Fourier cosine series means I am going to assume the function is directly even, and I am going to take Bn directly 0, and I am going to compute A0 and An only. So when I compute for A0 and An, I will get the final series in cosine terms. Is it okay? And to compute for A0 and An, we are going to use the same formulae as I was using in even and odd concept, that is 2 by pi or 2 by L. Such formulae I will be using in this concept. Okay. So similarly, if I am asked for sine series, that time I will be taking A0 and An 0, and I will be computing for directly Bn. Same formula, Bn formula will become 2 by L or 2 by pi integral 0 to, okay, and we are going to compute for. So to start with, now we are going to In my next video, we'll go with the certain problems on half range Fourier series. Thank you.